Okay, so this is a redo of a previous video attempt. Now, I have the goods on this. I know what it is about Miley Cyrus Party in the USA versus Sullivan's Dog Unicorn Farm. And by the way, I'm re-releasing. It's under my singer-songwriter name. It's going to be uh, November 8th for both versions. The Modani Walmart version and the Cowboy Jam, I think I called it. Yeah, Cowboy Jam version. But so I had playlisted both of these. My new version I happen to like, but it's on a tight lockdown right now. It's not released yet. It's unreleased, and but I can still listen to it like on my phone. So I playlisted it next to Miley Cyrus Party in the USA just by intuition or just by instinct. Wasn't really thinking about it because I was just kicking it, and I happened to notice that not only is the Unicorn Farm high quality enough to stand up to Party in the USA, there's something about the two songs. And once I analyzed what it was, of course, I'm perfectly capable of analyzing the chords. I was a music major before and no theory. It's a similar chord progression. It's just not in the same key, typically. So she's an F sharp. I think the version that I recently did of Unicorn Farm, I think it's in E. So, to play this here, if I just take the capo off, it's the same key. So basically, so was that Unicorn Farm or Party in the USA? Well, that was Party in the USA. See, so and Unicorn Farm. Right, similar progression. So with Miley Cyrus's, to use the Roman numeral chord indications, it's 1, it's in major, 1, 3, minor, 6, minor, 5, major. And Unicorn Farm, the main progression of it is 1, 5, 6, flat 7, 7, or flat 7, 9, or 13, whatever you want to do. That's the jazz element of it. So these two can be played back to back pretty seriously. You can combine them as part of the same medley or the same mashup, basically, because it's almost the same chord progression, basically. So that's interesting, huh? And the theme of the lyrics, or the storyline of the lyrics, is similar. Because in Unicorn Farm, you have a protagonist who has to decide to do something irreversible. Ostensibly, they're leaving a situation to which they cannot easily return. And that's like the song Party in the USA, because Miley Cyrus is talking about leaving Nashville to come to Los Angeles, which is what I also did sort of. I went from my small town to LA at first. So, well, that's a ton right there to talk about. But why don't I do both of these quick? Or I can... what should I do here? Should I play along with her first? Here's let's bring this back and do hers first a little bit. Or why don't I just try right for it? I'll just try right for it. That'll be fun. The lyrics right here. So her chorus. With my hands up playing my song. I put my hands up to playing my song. Butterflies fly away. Nodding my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. Got my hands up to playing my song. Know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. Party in the USA. Yeah. Party in the USA. Unicorn Farm. What must be done? Oh. What must be done is irreversible. Yeah, can we take the chance? Yeah, yeah. Are we prepared for the inevitable? Yeah, what will come, will come, will come. Standing here beside myself, yeah, yeah. my aged father, and this will be done, I swear, swear. I guess I'm just standing here beside myself, yeah, yeah. I guess I'm just wandering here beside myself, yeah, yeah. I guess I'm finding all life needs to be, yeah. I guess I'm finding all life seems to be, yeah. In this world, oh, in this way, no, no, be me, yeah, Hands up, they're playing my song, butterflies fly away, nodding my head like yeah, moving my hips like yeah. My hands up, they're playing my song, know I'm gonna be okay, yeah. Party in the USA, yeah. Party in the USA. I don't know if I can handle her verse. It's nice to like bookend that with the Miley Cyrus one. It's fun. I hopped off the plane, hopped off the plane. I hopped off the plane at LAX, put the dream in my car again. In the land of famous, am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. To my right, see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy, everybody seems so famous. Feeling kinda homesick, too much pressure that I'm nervous. When the taxi man turned the radio on. I don't care about that lyric right there. So, my hands up, playing my song, butterflies fly away. Nodding my head like yeah, moving my hips like yeah. Got my hands up, playing my song, know I'm gonna be okay, yeah. Party in the USA, yeah. Party in the USA. Yeah, I can handle it kind of. That one lyric I'm just gonna admit. But seriously, yeah, the Unicorn Farm. I used to go. I guess I'm finding all life means to me. I guess I'm finding all life seems to be. I think I forgot to do it that way in the first chorus. So sorry about that. Sorry about that. It's the Modani Walmart version. Modani is Danielle Marsh. I love Danielle Marsh, by the way. We've had like a few romantic chats by now. It's a better lyric there. All life seems to be, all life means to me. This is the old one that Dan wrote. Dan wrote the original one. So Dan wrote the original one, not me. I didn't write the lose line. And then Walmart, the Walmart component of that version title, it means like it's the standard version, the one that which could be put on the speakers like at Walmart, at your average Walmart. So it it could appeal to the type of like person, middle class, middle of the real person that would go to Walmart. Basically, yes. So that's what that means. So we got two versions. The new one's out November 8th. Should be good. But I was saying in the previous attempt at this video, I think what the songwriters were trying to say, and by the way, it's not Miley Cyrus alone. It was other songwriters. It was Dr. Luke and a couple others. I think they're saying the influence of the Lord Jesus on our nation, because the founders or the framers of our Constitution, the founders of our country, they knew the Lord Jesus and his work of salvation on the cross. Basically, is what made our country good, because they knew him. Or a great number of our country's founders knew him. That's what. I know a lot of them were deists and theists, but others of them were actually seminary grads, and they knew. So we're talking about like the Declaration of Independence and stuff. But I think that's like what always typically makes things good here. Yeah. So Party in the USA. And by the way, the way they're doing it on the recording, I know is different. it was up here rather than down there. Oops, yeah, so sorry, do it again. See? So, oh, I was gonna play along with hers. Let me play along with hers, so I'll kill some time. Okay, so I think I'll just stop the video there, and that's it for the night. Thanks for listening.